Crazy. Should be fun getting back up.
That's what I'm thinking right now.
Oh well. Oh.
Wow. Is there a good climbing wall over there? Climb that?
Yeah, I mean, it's called Yasu Dome, and I mean there's some routes on it, but it's so hard to get to that,
Right.
you know, not many things have been done.
Right.
The further you get down, the more
climbing is.
popular that, and you don't have to kind of hike in too far. Now this is Airplane Gully right here, Michael. So
Yeah.
we know
Really?
Yeah, we know that
That lady is there somewhere?
yeah, somewhere.
Full of drugs?
Might be. One of the guys that I know, one of the guys I know, Ken Yeager, he was a local climber guy, and he found, or him and some locals found a plane in the 70s full of pot.
There's plantations out here too. People come stumble upon them every now and then.
Is it right?
Yeah, big, huge areas with, you know, thousands and thousands and thousands of plants.
They live here? They can live through the winter?